drones have swiftly integrated into our daily lives, transforming industries from logistics to photography. Their ability to deliver packages and capture breathtaking aerial views has been nothing short of revolutionary. Yet, traditional drones bring a notable downside: noise. The incessant whirring and buzzing of their propellers can be both loud and disruptive. This noise pollution is especially concerning in urban areas, where drones are increasingly utilized for a variety of tasks. The persistent buzz can be intrusive and irritating, affecting residents' quality of life and disturbing local wildlife. Research indicates that drones can disrupt bird nesting behaviors and stress marine animals, posing serious threats to their health and survival. The evolution of drone technology is ushering in an era of quieter skies. While traditional drones have been notoriously noisy, groundbreaking advancements are transforming this landscape. Ion propulsion, which generates thrust by accelerating ions through an electric field, was once exclusive to space exploration. Today, it is being ingeniously adapted for drones. Unlike their traditional counterparts, ion propulsion systems operate with near silence, significantly reducing noise pollution in urban environments. These drones emit only a faint hum, making them perfect for noise-sensitive areas such as residential neighborhoods and wildlife habitats. By ionizing air molecules and accelerating them, ion propulsion achieves a quieter and more efficient thrust mechanism. The accelerated ions collide with neutral air molecules, generating thrust. This represents a monumental leap in drone technology. The elimination of rotating blades drastically reduces noise, making ion propulsion the ideal choice for silent drones. This technological leap has the potential to revolutionize the drone industry, mitigating noise pollution and unlocking new possibilities for drone applications. Silent drones are revolutionizing numerous industries with their versatility. In urban environments, they excel at inspecting infrastructure, monitoring traffic, and providing critical support in search and rescue missions. They are indispensable tools for law enforcement agencies. Ideal for wildlife monitoring and scientific research, they enable unobtrusive observation of animal behavior, facilitating precise data collection for conservation efforts. While ion propulsion shows great potential for silent drones, significant challenges persist. Limited range and payload capacity are major obstacles. The technology is still in its nascent stages, requiring advancements in efficiency and power. Battery life remains a critical issue. Ion propulsion systems deplete batteries rapidly. Researchers are innovating with energy-dense batteries to enhance operational duration. As battery technology evolves, we can anticipate longer flight times and extended range. The public eye privacy concerns and the imperative for regulation. The rise of silent drones brings significant privacy concerns and risks of misuse. Unauthorized surveillance and intrusion are pressing issues. Establishing clear regulations is essential to address public apprehensions. We must balance technological innovation with the protection of individual rights. Shaping the future, a positive outlook on silent drone technology. The horizon for silent drone technology is exceptionally promising. Breakthroughs in ion propulsion and battery technology are paving the way for more efficient, powerful, and versatile drones. These innovations will transform industries and significantly enhance our quality of life. By adopting this technology responsibly, we can unlock the potential of silent skies for the greater good of society. Military applications and implications. Silent drones provide significant tactical advantages for military and intelligence operations. They are essential for reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision-targeted missions. Nevertheless, their deployment raises ethical dilemmas and accountability issues. Establishing international regulations is crucial to ensure their responsible use. Ethical considerations and responsible development. Ethical considerations and responsible development are paramount in the evolution of silent drone technology. It is imperative to address concerns related to privacy, surveillance, and potential misuse. Effective collaboration between policymakers, industry leaders, and the public is essential. We must consider the impact on employment and invest in comprehensive retraining programs. Embracing the potential of silent skies. Silent drone technology marks a transformative leap in aviation, ushering in a new era of possibilities. These near-silent drones have the potential to revolutionize air travel and aerial surveillance. From quieter urban environments to enhanced wildlife conservation, the impact of silent drones is profound. Envision cities where the hum of traffic is replaced by the gentle whir of drones. The applications are extensive, spanning logistics, delivery services, emergency response, and environmental monitoring. Nevertheless, it is imperative to address concerns regarding privacy and surveillance. Robust discussions on ethical use and privacy protection are essential. By fostering responsible development and implementing appropriate regulations, we can alleviate these concerns. Engaging in open dialogue and community involvement will help build trust and acceptance of this technology. By harnessing the power of silent skies, we can create a brighter future for all. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates on drone technology and other exciting innovations.